ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ከባለፈው ኤሪያ የቀጠለ ሌላ ጥያቄ ወይም ደግሞ ኤክሰርሳይዛችሁ from your textbook ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። Find the areas which is enclosed by the graph f of x, the two straight lines and x-axis it says. So as we did before, we can sketch the graph of our functionaችንን sketch እናደርጋለን። graph what it looks like ምን እንደሚመስል sketch እናደርጋለን። Then sketch እናደርግ here we have the x and y plane. Then at x is equal 0, the value of the function is that is 0 and x is equals 4, the value for y that is 4 square means that is 6. Let's take it is 4 and it looks like it's 60. So ይሄ ከሆነ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? We want to find what the area, the region between the graph here is f of x to straight line, that means the straight line x is equal 0 and x is equal 4 and x axis is this one here region. This is s that you want. ስለዚህ ምንድነው above x axis ስለሆነ ፈንክሽናችን ምን እናደርጋለን? The area looks like this one. Integration between 0 to 4 of integration of our function f of x dx ይሆናል, which is equals to 0 to 4 integration here is x squared. The integration of this one it becomes x cubed over 3. No need of the arbitrary constant, that means integration constant አያስፈልግም ብለን መቼ if it is definite integral ከሆነ we call this definite integral since it has boundary limits አሉ 0 እና 4 ስላሉ this we call definite integral ብለናል. But the value now this is equals to 4 the power of 3 over 3 minus 0. But the result which is equals 64 over 3 square units. Let's try to find the next one. Integrate እናደርጋለን, then evaluate the function the integral value at the boundary points በ0 እና በ4 መካከል ስለሆነ you have to insert 4 as well as 0, then finally take their difference በመውሰድ ኤሪያውን አገኘን ማለት ነው. The next one it says f of x is equals to x square plus that is 3 between the straight line that is x is equals -1 and x is equals 3. Again we'll try to sketch the graph this function between what the given interval. When x is -1, the value of y what it looks like -1 square that is 1 plus 3 that is 4 ይሆናል. x አችን -1 ሲሆን the value of this is 4 1 3 let's say 4 is 4. When x is 3, the value of this is 9 plus that is 12. Let's try to sketch the graph of this function at the given point. But certain point መሰረት we can sketch the graph of our function sketch እናደርግ. At -1, the value becomes 4 ይሆናል. -1 square plus 3 ማለት 4 ይሆናል ማለት 1 2 3 4. Let's take here one. This is 4. At 3, it says 3 square plus 3 that is 12. Let's take somewhere this is that is 12 in the graph. So here is 3. So the graph opens upward. ለምን opens upward ሆነ? ምክንያቱም it opens upward since the coefficient of x square positive ስለሆነ opens upward ሆነ. And the minimum value when x is 0 ሲሆን x intercepts knows the value that is 3. Let's take somewhere. What the graph looks like? ግራፋችን ምን ይመስላል? ግራፋችን ይሄን ይመስላል. So we want to find what the area between these regions. የተጠየቅነው ኤሪያ በ-1 እና በx አችን 3 መካከል ሲሆን between the graph and the straight line መካከል ያለውን ኤሪያ ነው የተጠየቀው. This is S. Again, since the function is above x axis, we will try to integrate the function between -1 እና በ3 መካከል integrate እናደርጋለን. We get the area of our region. የዚህን region ኤሪያ እናገኛለን. So S is equals integration between -1 to 3 of f of x, which is equals between -1 to 3 of here is x square plus then what the result which is equals to the integration of x square that is x cubed over 3 integration of constant 3 that is 3x between -1 to 3 እንወስዳለን. Then what the result which is equal to insert 3 is cube means what that is 27 over 3 plus 3 times 3 that is 9 minus when substitute -1 it is -1 over 3 it is 3 times -1 this is minus 3. 27 over 3 means 9. 9 plus 9 that is 8. Minus, we take this is -1 minus -1 over 3 minus 3 means -10 over 3 becomes it is plus -10 over 3 here. For the next one, the next it is equal to 18 minus it become plus 10 over 3. For the result 18 times 3 that is 54 plus 10 which is equal 64 over 3. That's the result actually here. 64 over 3 square unit ይሆናል. በዚህ አይነት መንገድ የኤሪያው የተሰጠንን ኤሪያ between the two straight line or whatever the case between x as well as x-axis and the graph of the function በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት። Let's try to continue to the next one. እዚህ ጋር ቻናሉን ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። የሪሜዲያል ተማሪዎችም it is important for you ለእናንተ አስፈላጊና ያው እነዚህ ነገሮች ተምራችሁ ብትመጡም እንኳን አንዳንድ ያልገባችሁ ነገሮች ሊኖሩ ስለሚችሉ ዲቴል እንድታዩት ለሌሎችም ሼር እንድታጋሩት ሼር እንድታደርጉት ጋብዛለሁ። ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁንም እንዳትረሱ። Let's try to continue to the next one. It says find the area S which is enclosed between the graph of this function it says and the x-axis. ይህንን ስኬጅ ለማድረግ የመጀመሪያ ስራ ማድረግ የሚገባን ምንድነው? We'll try to sketch the graph of this function and what it looks like. ምንድነው ግራፋችን below x-axis ነው or above x-axis ነው በተሰጠን ኢንተርቫል ወይስ ምን ይመስላል የሚለውን ለማወቅ you'll try to sketch the graph. How can I sketch the graph? It is better to use sign chart apply ብታደርጉ የተሻለ ይሆናል። Then the zeros of this is -2, 0 and 1. ስለዚህ x plus 2, here we have x and here we have x minus 1. The zeros are -2, 0 and 1. ያ ማለት x ኢንተርሰፕቶቻችንን አወቅን ማለት ነው። x intercept that makes y 0, -2, 0 እና 1. So x plus 2 at the left of -2 it is negative. At the right it is positive. But at -2 positive ምን ይሆናል? 0 ይሆናል ማለት። When consider x at 0 it is 0, at the left it is negative, at the right it is positive. Similar when we take x minus 1, at 1 it is 0, at the right it is positive, at the left it is negative. Then finally take the product of these factors. የነዚህ ፋክተሮች ፕሮዳክት ስንወስድ ምን ይሆናል? This is x times x plus 2, this times x minus 1 ይሆናል። So the product of this negative that is negative, 0 times 80 that is 0, positive times negative it becomes positive. When you take 0 times 80 that is 0, positive times negative it is negative. When 0 times positive that is 0, positive times positive it is positive. So the graph looks like this. You are familiar that negative value የሚያሳየው the graph is below x-axis ይሆናል፣ positive ሲሆን ደግሞ above x-axis 0 ሲሆን at x-axis ላይ ይሆናል ማለት። ስለዚህ by considering this interval we can sketch the graph of our function. የፈንክሽናችንን ግራፍ ስኬጅ ማድረግ እንችላለን። -2 at -2 it is 0 ነው፣ 0 ላይ 0 ነው and 1 ላይ 0 ነው ብለናል። here is 1 at the left of -2 it is negative ማለት below x-axis ነው ማለት ነው። በ-2 እና በ0 መካከል the value is positive means it is positive somewhere this and it is 0 at 0 ላይ 0 ይሆናል። በ0 እና በ1 መካከል ኔጌቲቭ ይላል so we move down below x-axis at 1 ላይ it is what ምን ይሆናል? 1 ላይ it is 0 so the graph looks like ግራፋችን ይሄን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። exactly ይሄንን ላይሆን ይችላል but it looks like this one የፈንክሽናችን ግራፍ ይሄን ይመስላል። ስለዚህ የተጠየቅነው ምንድነው? what is the area of the region between what this function f of x and x axis ነው የተባለው። ስለዚህ ስንት ኤሪያ ይኖራል? this is here we have s1 አለ then here we have the other s2 አለ so the area of this function የዚህ ፈንክሽን ወይም ደግሞ የዚህ ግራፍ ኤሪያው ምን ሆናል? enclosed by this graph እና በx axis enclosed የሆነው area the sum of this area 1 and area 2 that means s is equals to s1 plus s2. What observe here? s1 region ስናይ the function is above x axis ስለሆነ we have to take the integration as it is between በ-1 እና በ0 መካከል ያለውን እንወስዳለን። ነገር ግን በ0 እና በ1 መካከል ፈንክሽናችን below x axis ስለሆነ take the negative of your integration የኢንቴግሬሽናችንን ኔጌቲቭ እንወስዳለን። Therefore what the area now between -2 to 0 of f of x with respect to x plus minus of 0 to 1 of our function f of x dx it will እንወስዳለን። ለምን? below x axis ስለሆነ በ0 እና በ1 መካከል። After that integrate the values or integrate the function we have which is equals to -2 to 0 of a function which is x into x plus 2 times x minus 1 respect to x ይሄንን ፕሮዳክታቸውን መውሰድ እንችላለን። But the product for this one is the product ስንወስድ what for x square plus twice x then times here is x minus 1 for the result which is equals x square times x that is x cube x square minus times minus 1 that is x minus x square 2x plus 2x times 2x ምን ይሆናል? that is 2x square ይሆናል 2x times -1 that is minus 2x ይሆናል then take their sum which is equals x cube collect like terms minus x square plus 2x square that's plus x square ይሆናል ማለት ይሄ ከሆነ minus of integration 0 to 1 x into x plus 2 times x minus 1 with respect to x integrate እናደርጋለን then the value becomes which is equals -2 to 0 x cube plus x square minus twice x dx minus of 0 to 1. Here is x cube. Sorry, this is x cube, not square. X cube plus x square minus 2x with respect to x integrate. The integration of the first one, here is x to the power of 4 over 4 plus x cube over what? That is 3. Yeah, minus 2x integration, that is minus x square negative 2 to 0. Minus integration of this one, x power of 4 over 4 plus x cube over 3 minus x square between 0 and then evaluate this. When set to 0, that is 0 minus substitute negative 2. Negative 2 the power of 4 means 16 over 4, that is 4. Negative 2 cube means minus 8 minus here is negative 2 square, that is 4. Minus of which is when start 1, here is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 minus here is 1. Insert then 0, that is 0. This we cancel this 4 by 4. What remains? Negative of 8 over 3 times negative. This becomes positive 8 over 3 minus. But the result here is the LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4, that is 3 plus 12, that is negative 12. This is equals to negative 5 over, which is equals 8 over 3 plus 5 over 12. But the LCM of this is that is 12. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 4 times 2, that is 4 times 8, that is 32 plus 12 divided by 12, 1 times 5, that is 5. But the result is equals 37 over. Therefore, the area for this one is 37 over 12 square units. አድርገው ግራፉን ስኬች እናደርጋለን። ስኬች ካደረግን በኋላ what it looks like ምን እንደሚመስል ግራፋችን እናያለን። is it below x axis or above x axis የሚለውን ኢንተርቫላችን ኮንሲደር ካደረግን በኋላ we will integrate ማድረግ ነው የምናውቀውን ኢንተግሬሽን። በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሌሎችንም ጥያቄዎች ለተመሳሳይ መስራት ትችላላችሁ። አስቸጋሪና ኤክስፕላኔሽን ይፈልጋሉ የምትላቸው ጥያቄዎች ካሉ ደግሞ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። በሌላም ጊዜ እንደዚሁ ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ እንዲሆንላችሁ እመኛለሁ። ቻናሉንም ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ባይ ባይ።